I'm Chef Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free cornbread muffins. First, you will want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then you will want to get a large mixing bowl. You'll want to add 1 cup of cornmeal, then add 1 cup of your favorite gluten-free flour mixture. Add 1 egg. One-third cup of sugar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar today to kind of give it a richer taste. You could also use 1/3 cup of honey to make a honey cornbread. Add 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of oil, a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You will then want to mix everything together until it is smooth and blended. Once everything is mixed together, it is ready to put into your favorite muffin tins. You can put it in just your regular grease non-stick muffin tins, but I'm using these cute tulip style wrappers. Then you will want to put about 1/2 cup of mixture into each muffin tin. Whenever I'm making muffins or cupcakes, I love using an ice cream scoop because it helps make sure that all of the cupcakes or muffins are consistent in size. Now they are ready to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Your gluten-free cornbread muffins are ready to serve. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make gluten-free cornbread muffins. Enjoy!